Alright, so let's start taking apart everything. I'm gonna start with disconnecting the battery. Have that disconnected since it's gonna be off for a while. And next up, I'm gonna just take off this the piping right here, disconnect it from right here, and then do the clamp up there, right here. Just slowly do the easy stuff right now, and I'm gonna disconnect the downpipe, take off the whole turbo, take this off, try to take all that off right now. Hopefully I'm gonna go pick up an engine later on today. Alright, so far I've taken off the strut bar because that's gonna give us a lot of space to work with. Took out the charge pipe, I believe it's called a charge pipe. The intake side piping for the intercooler. I don't know what I'm gonna do next. I think I'm gonna just start working on, let's see here. Probably start working on, well, I'm gonna cover that hole up right there, cover it, and I think I'm gonna start working on taking off the downpipe bolts. Take that off, or I don't really want to take off. I think I'm gonna just have to take it off from where it meets the catback, because I really don't want to deal with those bolts. When I did it last time when I was doing my heat wrap, it was not fun. So I might have to push the car back a little bit, put it up in the jack, and then just unbolt it from like over here and just drop it as one whole piece. So, or actually what I have to work on right now is taking off the feed line and the drain line, so I could drop it already. So I'll see how to do that right now. Alright, another update. Took out the dump tube, took out the intercooler piping from down there that connects to the turbo, took out the drain line. What else have I done? I think that's it so far. So the drain line, that intercooler piping goes down there, this right here, have it all right here. Here's that stuff so far. The only one that I seem to not have the size is for the feed line down there, because that's pretty much all I would need, is that feed line to be disconnected and to disconnect my exhaust from back there, from where the catalytic converter would be, and I could drop this whole thing, the manifold and the turbo and all that, and the downpipe. So hopefully I could get a size for the feed line, disconnect that, and then probably move that car, push it back a little bit so I could put the jack, and then disconnect the exhaust and take this whole thing out, so you can see the damage, since it appears to be right there, just to see the damage that's happened. Okay, so I was able to take it out. It's right here. It was a 13. So pretty much the way I did it, just in case you have this kit, I mean, I'm pretty sure you know how to do it, but pretty much how it's connected right there, as you can see, pretty much went through over here, just through right here, little by little. It took a while. It took like almost 10 minutes, just little adjustments, but I got that out. And my friend is coming over because we're gonna go pick up the rod knocked engine. So I think this is where I'm gonna stop for now, and continue another day or something. But yeah, I got some progress done. All this is ready to come out. All I need is to unbolt it from the block and from the exhaust, and I could take this whole assembly out, which is the turbo, the manifold, and the downpipe. So yeah, got a little bit of progress done. End it off right here, and then probably record a little bit when we pick up the engine and all that fun stuff. Alright, so we just picked it up, just left their house. This is it, long block. was originally gonna get it for 500 and didn't have enough. I only have 480, but they still took it like that. So yeah, this engine has rod knock, and we're just gonna tie it up and then get back because we're in the neighborhood and I'm trying to get out of here. Okay, so here's the engine, made it back home. It's just on my jack right now because we don't have fancy tools to lift up an engine and all that. So I think it's gonna be the end of this video, just picking it up and stuff. And I'm gonna start making another video just tearing apart the head, taking off the head, and then all that stuff just to end the engine and all that.